Hey YouTube, this is InfectedBytes here, and this is going to be your first basic terminal command. And so what is a terminal? A terminal is a emulator that allows you to talk directly to your system through commands. So let's get started. Let me just zoom in here so you guys can see. I think that should be good enough. Okay, so first thing you'll notice that I'm at my username, at my system. I'm not in root because of the $sign. So first thing is I'm at home. This is my directory. So I'm going to list ls is going to be your first command I'm going to show you. Ls basically is going to show you the contents of your directory. So if I type in ls, you notice I got my desktop documents download. These right here are folders or directories, and these color are files. So, but now I want to go into my desktop. What you'll do is the cd command, which means change directory, and then you want to put in your directory your destination. So this line right here is symbolizes home and my desktop. So now I'm on my desktop, but now I want to go back to where I was. You want to do cd period, and that is back where I was. It just goes back one directory. If you jump across, say if I'm right here and I jump into directory I made into my desktop, I'll give you an example. So if I change directory into my desktop, okay, I want to go cd into my miscellaneous folder. Also note that Linux terminal is very case sensitive, so make sure you get your capitalization and lowercase right. So now I'm in my list folder. So if I go cd period, I'll just go back to my desktop, one back. Okay. So we just learned cd is a change directory. I'm changing directory to my new destination. cd period is to go back one. Say I went back one, or you can do cd and then your destination. I'll just drag in my miscellaneous folder. And if I hit enter, I'll go to my miscellaneous folder on my desktop. This shows that I am where my directory's at. Okay. Now if you get on your terminal and you get a bunch of junk on there but you want to clean it up, the command is clear. Okay. Let's go back home. Oops. Okay. So we learned how to change directory, how to navigate a little bit, but now you want to create a directory and create a file. This is how you do it. I'll go to my desktop. That way I can show you GUI and see how it all works. Also, if you're writing a very long directory through your terminal, if you hit tab, it'll auto-complete it. So now I'm in my desktop. Now I want to create a file. How to create a file is you hit touch is the command, touch, then file name. I'll put hello. So you'll see that I have a hello text file in my desktop. Now I want to edit that text file. You'll hit nano, then hello. Now it comes up with nano, the text editor, and you can start typing away. I'll put hello there. Then you want to hit Control X, yes to save it, and you want to write it, yes. So now if I go in here to my hello file, you notice here's a file that I created and the contents I wrote in it. Okay, but now I want to create a folder in my desktop, and that is very simple. It's mkdir, basically stands for make directory, and then you want to put in your directory name. So I'll put hello YouTube. So now I got this Hello YouTube folder right here. So now I want to copy and paste my hello text file into my folder, and that's an easy command. So you want to hit CP, so basically copy, paste your file name. So what file you want to copy will be my hello. Now I had to put in my destination where I want it to be copied at. I wanted to copy to my hello YouTube folder, and I hit tab to auto-complete it. So now I want to change directory into my hello YouTube folder and see if it's there. So now I'm there, and I'll use the command ls to see the contents. You'll notice my file right there. Now I want to view it, and I'll do nano hello. Hello there. Now if I go in here on my desktop, the GUI side, you'll notice my hello is there, and it was copy and pasted. So okay. So now I don't want that file back in my my directory, my hello YouTube folder. So how do I remove that? Very simple. RM stands for remove a file. I'll just remove it, and it should be removed. So I click here. There's nothing in there. So I'm going to step back and go into my desktop. Now I want to remove the folder that I just made. I don't want it there anymore. Simple. RMDIR. Remove directory. Notice this is different than just RM. And so you have to know. And your contents in your directory have to be empty to be able to delete it. So oops. Hello YouTube. And that file just disappeared. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a couple more commands, and then we'll call it good. So, okay, the thing about Linux is permissions. If it asks you for permission, you're basically the same thing as administration on a Windows system. You can issue the command sudo. This will ask the system for, can I have permission to do this? So I'm going to put sudo touch file. Basically, I'm asking the computer, can I have permission to make a file named file on my desktop? And it'll ask you for your password. And there it happened. This is just a small example. If you get anything that says permission denied, it's because you're not in root and you don't have permission. Say you want to go into sudo and you want to stay in root. So sudo -s. No, it didn't ask me for my password because a little bit ago I already put my password. So now I'm here. You notice that's different. The color's different, then I have a pound sign. This means I'm in root. Just be careful in here because that means you have permission to do whatever you want. Now if you want to exit root, just issue this command exit. Okay, so we went over cd, change directory, period, go back one directory, or cd and your directory. Now ls lists the files, touch creates a file, mkdir creates the directory, nano edits that file. Also, if you just nano and just put in a file name, you can create a file that way also. rm to remove text, rmdir to remove directory. Just make sure the contents of the directory is empty. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, please subscribe to me and follow me on Twitter. Thank you, YouTube. Have a nice day.